Crypto Jimbo is here, at least for today. The crypto in me is sick and tired, but it's not dead. It's still alive and kicking. So if you've heard about crypto and you've wanted to get involved but haven't been sure how to get started, or you're a seasoned crypto vet, I think this is interesting for you. And something very cool is get free $10 in Bitcoin. Stay tuned. Free. You don't have to buy anything. And you might think $10 in Bitcoin, that's not very much. But look, $10 in Bitcoin today could be worth $1,000 in 25 years. Also, if you can get a free $10, that is a free cup of coffee. What did Benjamin Franklin say? A penny saved is a penny earned. I think that's somehow applicable here. Not totally sure how. But the product here is called the Crypto Code. And this is one of the longer standing crypto products out there. And if it's longer standing, usually that's because it hasn't fallen apart. It hasn't failed. But this is a trading system. So they help with trade alerts. So if you're wanting to, trade crypto, kind of, buy it at one price, sell it for more, they give you alerts on when to do that, what pricing to put it at. They give you custom trading indicators. So if you're into TA, technical analysis, they teach a lot about that. Even if you're not into trading, they have their WaveBot, which basically takes their trade alerts and their trading indicators and does it automatically for you. So you don't have to do it yourself. That's why this is good for beginners. Good for beginners to learn, good for beginners to use. They have their altcoin picks. So you guys know, the blue chip coins, Bitcoin, Ethereum, some of those, where you can make a lot of money is on the altcoins. That's where you have the 100x, 1000x potential, but you also have the potential to lose it all. So if you want to get a little riskier, they'll help you with that as well. You can get a free weekly trade alert. They have a 93% win rate, which is very high. You can see their whole public record of all their trades. It is very impressive, even as of today. Very impressive. This is Joel Peterson. He started the Crypto Code to help average people get into crypto. Very similar mission to what I have as well. 8,000 people in the Crypto Code. A lot of them made a lot of money. Of course, they don't put the testimonials of people that lost money. So, this is not like a surefire bet. But if you would like to get your free $10 in Bitcoin and learn about the Crypto Code, they have a webinar that you can join. You get $10 in Bitcoin just for attending. They do some education, and then they talk about the Crypto Code. Obviously, their goal is to sell the Crypto Code, but they give out a lot of free gifts during the webinar as well. So if you'd like a free $10 in Bitcoin, I'll leave links. Go sign up for this webinar, watch it real quick, and maybe it's something. Maybe you'll learn something. Maybe this will be a trading system that you want to be a part of. If crypto is not your thing and you want to build apps, that's where I've made most of my money, is from apps and selling apps. But with AI now, everyone has the potential to build their own apps. So I created this free AI app starter kit that you can download. It's actually about 40 pages, more of an ebook than a guide, than a starter kit. But it'll help you get started turning your idea into an AI-powered app. So please like and subscribe. God bless you all. Again, we're out here looking to make more money, not to increase the standard of our living, but to increase the standard of our giving. I want to take better care of my family. I want to take better care of widows and orphans that are around me. So looking to generate money to make that happen. So appreciate you guys watching very much. God bless you all and have a great rest of your day.